Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do a popular nail design, painting on a French tip on a nice short square nail. So we've got our first little practice hand, and we're going to buff off the surface shine with medium sanding band, as this tip is acting as the natural nail. We've only got this on 5,000 RPM, so it's really slow, won't cause any burns. Stick our tip. And we'll cut this really short. This is what everyone's requesting lately, especially in my salon. File the side walls, get the shape of the tip nice. File over that contact area. Wipe over with some gel res, get rid of the dust. And obviously dehydrate and prime as normal on a human hand. So we'll take my usual mix of half rose glow, half soft beige. Also a lovely base for French, I find. So medium bead of acrylic, pop it in the centre. Tap out the back. And then start walking it down. When you're walking this bead down, you're just patting, pressing and pulling, you're not wiping it. You're not digging at it. It's no crazy speed you have to do it in, so you give it time to set so you can get a little bit firmer towards the tip. Second bead, medium again. Pop that in the centre. Start pulling that down. Cuticle bead, small, tip the finger down, pop that near the cuticle. Touch the bead very gently and it will fall into place around the cuticle area. And then this bottom bit, you just very lightly pull it down. Let that dry and then we'll file it. Right, now this nail's dry, we're going to file it. So we want a nice perfect square. Down the cuticle as normal. Over the surface, down the sides. Turn the hand around. 240 grit file, rested on the tip, and just perfect that surface area. Buff over with a buffing block. And the ring's fallen off. Your jewellery back on.
Never seen anyone wear a ring on the knuckle before, like.
You what?
Never seen anyone wear a ring on the knuckle.
Nah. But
She rocks it.
trendy, isn't she?
Yeah. Trendsetter.
Wipe over some gel res. And then we're going to take our palette with Spill It, gorgeous bright pink for the summer. Oh, I love that. It's right up my street, that pink.
God, that's bright.
Isn't it though? I'm going to take, I like to do tips with a 003 brush. So the way I like to paint the tips is I like to draw a straight line down each side so that I've got the markings in place for where the tip's gonna go to. Mark out the centre of the nail so you know where to bring it to and just create your smile. Bringing it to there. Then back up that side. Fill that in. And then you can, once you've filled it in, you can just go round and make sure you've got your smile line straight. Make sure you cap the end with the colour. Some people don't do this, but I prefer to do this. And if you look down the barrel, you can see if it's even each side. And if you're anything like me, it's not done as quick and easy as it is on these Instagram videos. Turn the hand round and then you can see if it's even. Okay with that. And then we're going to add a little bit of something. One of my clients asked me for the other day actually, and I thought it was gorgeous. Also very popular at the minute. We're going to put a little yin yang in the corner. Snow White Serious Black on your palette. Take a dotting tool, go into the white and just make a circle. Okay with that. And then we'll go into the Serious Black. So tiny. Should have my glasses on really. And kill that. Dotting tool again. Tiny bit of black for a minuscule dot. Same with the white. Like that. And then we'll finish this now with some gel top coat. And there it is. How gorgeous. Simple, gorgeous. Hope that video helped you with your smile lines. If I can help at all, please comment down below and I will do my best to answer any questions. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video.